Oh my. Oh my goodness, what the heck, yaar? Hi guys, my name is Bulanka and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it would mean a lot to me. So today is 13th May, which is my sister's birthday, and yeah. So, oh my god, it's so hot in Goa. Right now there's a lockdown in Goa, but since this is a green zone right now, so there are a lot of restrictions lifted, which means you can like go around but like not in crowded places and stuff like that. So my sister could celebrate her birthday or we could do something for her. But my sister doesn't like celebrating her birthday. She doesn't like celebrating her birthday. Like she loves what do you say? She loves celebrating other people's birthday and making them feel special on their day and stuff like that. But she doesn't like celebrating her birthday. Like she wouldn't call her friends home like for lunch or dinner or something. Wouldn't go out with them. Wouldn't take them out anywhere. Nothing. She just doesn't like celebrating her birthday. She just stays at home the whole day. And yeah, that's about it. Like, and it's sad. Like I and my sister are very different when it comes to birthdays. Like I love birthdays. Like even if my birthday, my mom says like, you know, we're not going to celebrate and stuff like that today, this time you just chill at home and stuff like that, I am going to like call a few friends, and then the few friends becomes more, and it's like a party at the end of the day then. But then my sister just doesn't like celebrating her birthday, and it's kind of frustrating for the people that love her like me, because I do not know what to do. I want to make her feel special. I want her to feel amazing, loved, everything, but I do not know what to do, because if I do anything extra, she's not going to like it. So it's annoying when people like this exist that don't like celebrating their birthday. You do not know what to do. Like what the hell am I supposed to do? I do not know. But I'm not going to give up. Like I am going to do something, and it doesn't, I don't know if she's going to like it or not, but I am going to do something, and it's a surprise. She doesn't know. Right now I'm talking a little slow because she's sleeping in the room so that I don't wake her up. So it's a surprise. She's going to get up in 10 minutes and she's going to go out to play. Yeah, and she's gone out. I'm going to plan a little something for her over here, a little surprise. Let's see. So yeah, like I hope she likes it, and if she doesn't like it, I do like, let's just hope it works out and she likes it. I hope. But yeah, let's see. So guys, yeah, this was like my long ass intro. So I'm going to go to wake her up now, because she told me to wake her up in 10 minutes because she has to go to play. So yeah, see ya. Okay, so she just left now, so I'm just going to start by trying to bake a cake. So first things first, like I'm not a good cook. I do not know how to bake, like literally bake, but 5-minute cakes in the micro and all, I've seen those videos and I've tried here and there. Sometimes it's a hit and sometimes it's a miss. So I'm just gonna try baking the cake today, and let's just hope it's good. Okay, so I'm just like wearing really baggy clothes because I'm in the kitchen and I know I'm gonna mess it up, so forgive me because of the clothes. Okay, so I put the batter in the micro right now, and I'm just like hoping it comes out good. Okay, so we have a little problem here. I kind of put the batter in a very small bowl and now it's overflowing, and I don't know what to do. Like, should I like still let it, because I think there's still time. I think I should let it and let's see what happens, and then I don't know. Let's see. So the cake is actually cooked on the inside. It's just that it's overflowing. So I'll see what I can do about it when I'm okay. So now my whole hard work depends on this. I just hope like the cake comes out well. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm just overflowing batter is separating from the actual cake, which is inside, which is Don't. Oh, okay. It's hot. Sweetie, please. Oh my goodness, what the heck, yaar? This really doesn't look like a proper cake. Wait, we'll see what we can do about it. I tried to put this in the oven again and see. Right, yeah. Okay, so now I do not have any option. I will have to work with this cake. So we are gonna try. Let's see what happens. I can never be a good chef. I had the cake on a very disgusting looking plate. The cake tastes so yummy, yeah. Just wish it came out yummy. Okay, so basically I'm trying to work with the cake I have right now. So let's see what I can do. Biggest mistake I did was to put the cake in that plate, because now I have to do extra work to get that plate looking good. So, oh. So now let me start with the next part of it. So yeah, I'm planning to make a banner which I can hang over there that says happy birthday, because we had a banner first and I do not know, when we were putting the Christmas decoration up, I think we lost it or I don't know what happened. So I have to make a banner. I do not have time, but we are going to make it work.
One eternity later.
So this is the setup. This is your mother's, okay? Don't blame me for it. This is a fish. This is a fish cleaning thing. I get a cake cut off. 1 second, wait. It was just there. Mom couldn't find it. Take. Leave the bowl. Take this. Happy birthday to. Before it burns the cake down. That's what I'm thinking. Hey, fast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Panushka, I'm singing. Please don't make me sing more. Okay, I'll make a wish. Okay. I have to sing?
No, I'm gonna cut you.
Happy birthday to you. That's like literally.
This entire part is where the sugar on top also is melted. There was a fire extinguisher, by now it would have blown out.
Okay, cut and eat. I made it. disaster. You should see the footage, dude.
I can see it.
Dude, I tell you, your gift will be the footage more than the actual gift. Okay, please first cut the cake. I want to see how it looks inside. I didn't even look. It doesn't cut? Don't tell me.
I doubt your baking skills.
Oh, please, the whole world will be doubting after today. Oh, baked?
Yeah, I kind of did bake, but the
Wait, let me take full close.
outside atmosphere does not look that good.
Dude, it was worse. Now it looks good. Now eat.
You're putting me through this.
Yes.
You should taste first. Cake.
Okay, first you try.
No, it's fine.
No,
it's fine. It's fine. It's really fine.
Dude, it's good.
When you say good, no, I always have to try.
Dude, it's good. Like nice buttery cake. So how's the cake?
What
What's
did you
up?
put on the outside thing? Did you put some other frosting something?
There was no frosting. There's like melting hundreds of chocolates. It was an annoying task, Anushka. I went to search for frosting.
Nice.
It's
But-
not. The frosting is not nice. The presentation. Dude, I did a mistake by putting it on this
You
plate.
know how much presentation is important.
I'm sorry. Okay, I was just having it. Dude, the icing turned out to be so good. I'm kind of shocked right now. Hey guys, so finally we did it. The surprise is over now, and I'm glad that it was a success. She liked it. She liked the cake. That was the most important part, because you know what a mess I created because of the cake. It was another level of shit happening in the kitchen.
Show the camera.
Wait,
Let's end it on a good note. On more fun note. Show ya.
wait, what?
Tell them the state of the kitchen. Okay. So the kitchen has like a millions of ants roaming around, and the kitchen is a mess. Like you call it a sweet house, a chocolate house, what do you call it? My kitchen is more of a chocolate kitchen. Okay? And it is a mess. Like if my mother goes and sees, she will be in the graveyard next moment.
I'm gonna
Just to
clean
that.
it. I'm gonna clean it, dude. Chill.
You're not cleaning. You're not good at cleaning kitchen.
No, I'm good at cleaning.
Cleaning and cleaning kitchen are two different things.
I'm
cleaning the kitchen. You have to get into mess and like
Dude,
you
I'm
have
gonna
to
clean it.
get bitten by ants too. So just
I'm gonna clean it, and it's gonna be clean, and I'm gonna be fine. Chill. So yeah. So it was a success. The kitchen is not a problem. We're gonna clean it, so it's fine. But yeah.
my heart just goes.
It was a long ass day. So I'm really tired now, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you really liked this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.